Hey guys, my name is Shabaz and you're watching my YouTube channel SIK Creations. So right now this is a cloth and sleeves also in a printed. Look at this and look at this side. Both our side is the same print. Okay. So first of all we stitch one beads line. Okay. And we need this mirror. Okay. This round mirror. Link in the available in the description box. If you want to buy, please go and check out. And this mirror is a little mirror, okay, and we use another mirror. This size is a little bit short according to this mirror, okay. So right now we stitch stone chain, okay, in back neck. First we stitch one beads line, after that we will stitch and one stone lines, okay, same as it is. Look at this one, okay, very slowly and do very carefully because needle is dangerous. If needles bite you, it's very painful, so that's why I'll tell you, you do very carefully, okay. And look at this, same as it is you do, okay. 3 stone lines in a one step, okay. Look at this, 3 stone lines stone and a 1 needles white, okay. Look at this, okay, same as it is you do. And you don't need to do fast, okay. First of all you need to do slow and good work, okay. When you do good work, so speed is also coming, okay. So right now we are on the sleeves and same as it is we stitch in a back neck, okay. So same as it is we will stitch in a sleeves, okay. Now look at this, first we stitch is some 2 inches line of beads, okay, and after that we will stitch stone chain, okay, because when you wear and fold, so if stone chain as a full, it's not better for you, okay. So that's why we will stitch 2 inches beads and after that we will stitch stone chain, okay. So same as it is, 3 stones and 1 steps, okay. Look at this, it's not straight, it's a little bit round and around and around, okay. So if you are doing and very slow doing, okay, not to do fast, first of all same as it is you do, okay. Look at this, very carefully and very slow and do very good work, okay, if you want to do, okay. So right now we are back in the sleeves and flip the mirrors, okay. Look at this, look at this, it's all plastic mirror, not to real mirrors, okay, because real mirror it's not good when your blouse in a fall and real mirror is a break, so that's why it's not good. And right now we will use the plastic mirrors, it's better for real mirrors, okay. So that's why we use the plastic mirrors. And also I'm gonna tell you, you maintain the gap, both are mirrors and both are stones when you use, okay. Look at this, same as it is you do. Look at this, okay. I'm gonna tell you, this is not a 1 mirrors, okay, it's always 2 mirrors, because if you stick 1 mirror, so it's not perfect, so that's why you use 2 mirrors, okay, because when you use 2 mirrors, so it's very stiff, okay. And same as it is you will stick, okay. And look at this, same you also maintain the gap between 2 mirrors, okay. Same as it is you will stitch all lines, okay, and upper side full neck to cover this plastic mirrors, okay, same as it is. Look at this, okay. And right now we are on the sleeves and stitch all around 2 mirrors in a red, not red, it's some dark red reshams, okay. And we will stitch right now all around 2 mirrors in a resham work, okay. When this is a green sleeve, so that's why we will use the red reshams, and back neck part is a red, so that's why we will use their green reshams, okay. Sleeves is a green, so that's why we will use the red reshams, and back are red, so there we will use the green reshams, okay. because अगर हम यहाँ पर ग्रीन रेशम यूज़ करेंगे, सो it's not perfect and it's not looking very beautiful, so that's why we will always use the contrast, okay. Green is a beautiful contrast, is a red, green and a red is a very beautiful combinations, okay. That's why we use same as it is, okay. Look at this, all around mirrors we will cover with the reshams. Okay, look at this. Same, it's simple, especially for beginners. If you are a pro in a blouse designing, so this video it's not for you. It's only for a beginner who is starting right now and do maggam work and blouse designing at her homes. Okay, and need some little bit materials like gold reshams and red reshams and another colors, pink and some colors. Okay, and use some stone chain, kundans, mirrors, and so because this is a simple design, not too hard. Okay, if you want to do, you do, watch videos and do easily. Okay, and right now we will stitch all around gold kasab. Okay, look at this, gold kasab all around the reshams. Okay, because sleeves is some part of a gold, so that's why gold is not enough. Okay, but gold resham, gold kasab is complete the booties look. Okay, that's why we will use the gold kasab. Okay, look at this, only one lines all around the resham's booty. Okay, same as it is. Okay, look at this. Yeah, it's very beautiful booties. It's a simple design and home use, not too much heavy and not used to bridal. Okay, so it's only for birthday function and anniversary, so it's a blouse work for you. Okay, because it's simple, huh? So that's why I'm just tell you how to make, and if you are a beginner, so this video it's only for you. Okay, so you need to watch properly and don't miss any part of my videos. Okay, all materials link in the description box. If you want to buy, please go and check out. And right now we will stitch little bit mirrors all around red kasab. Okay, look at this, all mirrors cover with the red reshams. Look at this, same as it is, you do same as it is. Okay, and right now we stitch other mirrors lines. Okay, same as it is. It's very beautiful, simple design, also beautiful. Heavy blouses, it's too much, taking too much time and very expensive. Maximum one blouses, if we will try make some pattern blouses for you and just bridal blouses making for you and show you how to make, so it's very expensive for me, because one blouse maximum cost to 4 to 5,000 with a worker cost and all materials. So that's why we will decide to stitch some little simple blouse design. So that's why we will stitch this blouse. Okay, it's design very helpful for beginner. Okay, look at this, same as it is, you do. Okay, so right now this is a final look, and look at this, very beautiful. Okay, mirror little bit very shiny, and look at this front, it's a front. Okay, look at very beautiful. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay guys, look at this, very beautiful. I like so much these designs, and you of course you tell me how's the design and it's looking very beautiful or not. Please go and comments. Okay, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel also. I think this is a very beautiful work. Thank you so much. Bye.